Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nabil Iman bin Kuzairi. My matrix number B0122100095. Today, I want to present about our energy audit report at Thor Fitness Gym Melaka. So this is my group members, Muhammad Zulhilmi, Andre Xavier, Adi Lukman, Muhammad Zahiruddin, and Muhammad Alif Imran. Okay. So first, I want to present the executive summary. This energy audit assess electricity usage at Thor Fitness Gym Melaka and propose conservation measures at May 2026. The consumption reached at 889 kilowatt hours. The estimation for year is 10,668 kilowatt hour per year. The major load include the CFL lamps, treadmills, fans, and refrigerator. Combined measures offer saving of 5,600 kilowatt hour per year. So this is my audit purpose. So you can see the key consumption status at May and the annual estimation average. And this is major energy loads. CFL lamps, treadmill. The CFL lamps consumption at 28%, the treadmills 15%, wall fans 15%, refrigerator 11%, and the others 31% of all of total consumption. So this is the saving potential up to 5,600 kilowatt hour per year savings. Immediate payback from no cost measures, long-term ROI from high cost investment. So next is site and building overview. Okay, continue.
All right. We explained the site and building overview. Let's examine the energy consumption profile that is for the Thor Fitness. As we can see, the facility details is the facility is operating hour is from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. daily, and 2:30 p.m. on Friday. The gym is supplied with a 3-phase electrical supply, supporting its range of its fitness equipment, including treadmills, fans, lighting, and refrigerating units across the workout floor. The Thor Fitness is located at 41-1 Jalan Tak 15, Taman Air Keruh Heights, Melaka. The facility operates as a commercial shop, lot gym with a total land area of 282.84 meter square, that equals to 3,044.46 square feet, providing a dedicated fitness space for local community. Next, we go to the energy consumption profile. Based on the graph, we can see this is annual estimation consumption of 10,668 kilowatt hour. That is important to note that the facility is built under non-domestic low voltage commercial rate tariff. This is high usage in primarily driven by the daily operation of lighting, treadmills, fans, and refrigerating equipment during the gym operating hours, that is from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Understanding this baseline is critical for our next step, which is identify exactly which equipment drawing the most power. Okay, we continue to Adi with the next slide.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm excited to take you through the key findings of our recent energy audit conducted at Thor Gym. Our goal was to map out exactly where our energy goes every day so that we can implement target data-driven cost saving strategies. Let's start with our load opportunity overview. As you can see from our daily consumption breakdown, our total daily energy usage stands out approximately 29.6 kilowatt hour. The big contributors, surprisingly, our energy consumption is dominated not by heavy gyms machinery, but our lighting. CFL lamps make up 28% of our total energy load, consuming about 8.28 kilowatt per day across 46 units. Right behind lighting, we can see an equal split between our primary cardio zone and our ventilation. Our 2 treadmills accounts for 50% of our loads, or 4.5 kilowatt per day, while our 8 wall fans also contribute 50%, drawing 4.32 kilowatt per day to keep our workout zone ventilated. Refrigerators and other our baseline operational equipment, specifically our 140-watt refrigerator, runs continuously and represent 11% of our daily consumptions at 3.36 kilowatt hour. The remaining 31%, or 9.18 kilowatt per day, is distributed among other minor appliances and miscellaneous equipment group under others. So the next slide is the illuminance survey. Since lighting represents nearly a third of our direct equipment consumption, we conducted a rigorous illuminance survey across key functional areas of Thor Fitness Gym to evaluate our lighting quality and efficiency. We measure actual lux levels against global standard recommendations, which are 300 lux for active gym floor and 150 lux for toilet and changing facilities. The results are highly encouraged but reveal one critical optimization opportunity. Overall, 67% of our assessed areas fall well within the optimal standard range, with 0% of the gym being underlit, meaning our members always enjoy a bright, safe environment.
Okay, now for the energy saving measures overview, there are 3: no cost, medium cost, and high cost. So for ASM categories, no cost, behaviorally and operational changes with immediate payback, like treadmills, scheduling, lightning hours, fan maintenance. For medium cost, low investment upgrade with 1 year payback, like LED lamps, occupancy sensor, smart timers. And for the high cost, capital investment with long-term ROI, like BLDC fans, 5-star refrigerator, and solar PV. Okay, for the total savings potential, combined annual savings 5,600 kilowatt hour per year equal to 3,127 per year. So for the no cost, 1,521 kilowatt hour equal to 825. So for the medium cost, 1,787 kilowatt hour equal to 970. And for the high cost, 4,300 kilowatt hour per year equal to RM 2,333. Base implementation maximize ROI and minimize disruptions to gym operations. Okay, for the next slide is no cost energy saving measures. These measures require zero capital investment and can be implemented immediately. Combined annual saving 1,521.3 kilowatt hour per year equal to 825.42 per year with immediate payback period for all interventions. Therefore, optimize treadmill use, reduce lighting daytime, and maintenance schedule, and payback period immediate. All measures are zero cost and instant ROI. Okay, for the next slide, Zahir.
Okay, for medium cost energy saving measures, we have 3 things can we change. So first is the LED lamp replacement by replace 75 CFL lamps, which is 24 watt, with 12 watt LED bulb. The annual saving that we'll get is 1,510 kilowatt per hour per year. So the cost saving is RM 890 ringgit, it is 8 cents per year. For implementation for this medium cost energy for LED lamp replacement is 750 ringgit. For simple payback period is 0.92 year. For so LED bulb consume 50% less energy than CFL lamps that produce less heat and have longer lifespan, ideal for a high usage gym environment. So net occupancy sensor at the toilet. The business owner can install occupancy sensor in toilet area to auto switch light off when unoccupied. That can save annually 35 kilowatt per year. Cost saving that can get is 80 ringgit and 99 cents per year. The implementation cost is 100 ringgit. So the simple playback period is 5.38 years. Lastly is smart timer. It is smart timer for water dispenser. The owner can install a smart timer to shut off the water dispenser during non-operation hour, which is 11 p.m. to 2 p.m. So the owner can get annual saving to 242.4 kilowatt per year. Cost saving is 131.53 ringgit per year. The implementation is 120 ringgit, and the simple playback period is 0.91 year. So next slide is the high cost energy saving measure. So if the owner can have more budget for this saving measure, so he can replace wall fans with BLDC fans. By replacing the existing wall fans with BLDC fan will cost 2,000 ringgit upfront. This upgrade will be saved 950.5 kilowatt of an hour of energy, which is can reduce your electricity bill by 550 ringgit 30% each year. Because of this yearly saving, the investment will completely pay for itself in 3.88 years. Next is a 5-star refrigerator. Replace the existing refrigerator with an energy efficient 5-star rated model. The estimate annual saving of 439.2 kilowatt per hour is 232.88 ringgit they can save. So the investment cost is 1,500 ringgit with payback period of 6.54 years. So lastly is solar PV system. Install a 2 kilowatt rooftop solar PV system to offset grid consumption by 2,920 kilowatt per hour per year. The saving can get is 1,584 ringgit and 39 cents annually, which is the three cost for solar PV system is 7,000 ringgit with 4.42 year payback period. So for next slide for Andre Xavier can continue.
Okay, thank you, Zahir. So besides implementing energy saving measures, ESM, we also recommend a sustainable energy management system or SEMS to ensure long-term energy efficiency. The key practices include energy monitoring through the MyTMB app, regular equipment maintenance, lighting management through LED upgrades, and staff awareness program to encourage energy saving behavior. These practices help sustain the energy saving achieved from the proposed measures. So for the next slide, which is the implementation phases, the proposed measures are divided into 3 phases. Phase 1 focuses on no-cost measures such as optimizing treadmill usage, reducing lighting operation, and fan maintenance. Phase 2 includes medium-cost measures such as LED replacement, occupancy sensors, and smart timers. Phase 3 consists of high-cost measures including solar PV installation, BLDC fan replacement, and upgrading to a 5-star refrigerator. This phase approach allows the gym to implement improvement gradually while managing costs effectively. And for the next slide is the equipment summary. This slide summarizes the major equipment identified during the audit, including treadmills, safe air lamps, wall fans, refrigerators, and other supporting appliances. This equipment rating were used to calculate energy consumption and identify the qualities for energy saving throughout this project. I will now hand over the presentation to Zul for the recommendation and next step.
Okay, for the recommendation and the next step, to achieve sustainable energy saving at Thor Fitness Gym, a constructed approach is recommended. Prioritize no-cost and middle-cost measures for immediate ROI, followed by high-cost investment as a long-term strategy. Continuous SEMS practice, staff engagement, and regular energy monitoring are essential for sustained impact. Priority action we must take: implement on-cost measures immediately, fan maintenance, lighting schedule, and treadmill optimization. Replace CFL lamps with 12-watt LED for fast 0.92 year payback, install smart timer for water dispenser, and engage staff in energy awareness programs. So for the long-term strategy, replace wall fans with BLDC fans, upgrade to 5-star rated refrigerator, install 2 kilowatt solar PV system, and last, monitor energy use via MyTMB and adjust measures regularly. Okay, for the last, before we end our presentation today, I want to ask question to Nabil. Nabil, what can we conclude based on our energy audit project?
Okay, thank you for the question. So in conclusion, our energy audit successfully identified the major energy consumers at Thor Fitness Gym Melaka and proposed several practical energy saving measures to improve energy efficiency. Through the implementation of LED replacement, solar PV integration, and sustainable energy management system practice, the gym can reduce energy consumption, lower operating costs, and achieve more sustainable operation. Thank you.